In this video, you learn how to create internal and external threads in FreeCAD. You need the Thread Workbench for this. To install it, go to Tools and then select Add-on Manager. Search for Thread and select the Thread Workbench. Then click on Install. Click on OK and then on Close. Restart FreeCAD and you see the Thread Workbench is there. First, let's create a shaft in the Part Design Workbench. Create a new sketch and select a plane to sketch on. Let's use the Polyline tool to draw the section of the shaft. End on the first vertex to close the loop. Now select the Dimension tool to add all dimensions to the shaft. The first dimension is 3 mm, which will be used for the M6 internal thread later. Then enter the other dimensions by clicking the vertex or the line. The same goes for the external thread, which will be M16, so a radius of 8 mm will be entered here. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Now use the Revolve tool to rotate the sketch around an axis. Select the horizontal axis for the correct shape, and click on OK to apply the revolution. So, the shaft has been created now. Now, go to the Thread Workbench. It only has a few tools. You can drag the menu to another position if you want. Now click on a cylindrical surface and select Metric Thread by clicking the M button. Expand the menu if you want. You see it automatically matches the radius of a cylinder. Check this box for a live preview. Here you can select on which edge the thread has to start. Select No Runout for a cleaner thread. And check this box to add thread to the whole surface, instead of a specific length. Finally, click on the Create Thread button, and you see the external thread has been added. To create an internal thread, select the inside surface of a hole. It will automatically match the correct radius. Enable a live preview and make sure you select Internal here. Click on the Create Thread button, and you see the internal thread is there. Now both threads have been added. Click on Close to exit the menu. So, this was a quick overview on how to add internal and external threads in FreeCAD without using the whole tool. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.